Hey guys, not much has been going on for the last couple of weeks, and I didn't put up a video last week because we were working on things but not in the garden. So I will put up little clips. We had our mulch delivered, and that was quite a big job, but we got it accomplished. Very pleased. Also, we had been cutting the grass with regular lawnmower, not even a self-propelled one. It's an old one that we had to push. But and I say we lightly because Mr. G did most of it. And we finally got us a rider, and I am so happy for that, because when he cut it with the push mower, altogether it took us 4 days. So he cut for 3, and then I cut a little bit. Nowhere near as much as he did, but he did a great job. So now I'm hoping this, well, I know this will be a lot easier on him. It cuts the time and everything, because we got yesterday, and we cut the back lawn, and I enjoyed seeing all of my dandelions when I come out in the morning. But I also enjoy seeing this. There's still quite a few there. We're going to have to work on that. I don't want to get rid of all of them. I don't want to put any chemicals down. But it's quite a few, because I think this place, the lawn hadn't been taken care of in a long time. And it just looked like a field of dandelions. They are beautiful when they're all up. Sorry about the ambulance, but we don't live that far from a hospital. And it turns out it's a trauma center. So you hear a lot of ambulances coming and going different times. We had our mulch dropped off today. So this is what we'll be doing all day today. Moving mulch. Check in your area. You may be able to get some free mulch. We are just about through getting that pile of mulch, and then Mr. G had another truckload dumped. I told him in about 3 years this would be a great place to put a small garden. Working hard today. As we were moving the pile of mulch, we ran across a little friend. You can let him go. And there he is. He is so cute. Hey, little guy, how you get up here? Just about through with this second pile. Well, this is where we put the mulch. We put it back here behind the garage because I'm going to put a little platform here so I can put a screen room up. And the other mulch that we spread it out, and we're putting it pretty thick because this area is a little low over here, so we can back the car up, and I may put a few pots here to grow a few things. But this is what we work so hard toward. Taking a break after that big pile of mulch. And don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, I'm Lady P, and be sure and give me a thumbs up, share this video, hit the little notification bell, and all that good stuff. Peace and love. This is Lady P, and I'm out.